It's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: auto-shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop-start feature, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, driver and passenger memory seats, smart device remote engine start, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.